I'm seeing multiple confluences here. I'm seeing a triple top. If you zoom out, this could be considered a head and shoulders. Reed Hicks here with Hawaii Trading Academy. This is a trade breakdown of dollar CAD, one of the best trades that I've seen as far as setup goes, not necessarily return ratio, but it was just a clean setup. And I just want to break that down. We'll get into it right away. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the United States dollar versus Canadian dollar, or USD-CAD foreign exchange pair. And this is the daily time frame. The 50 EMA in red. This is the 200 EMA in blue. So if we look back from June 2020 through June 2021, so a year worth, this pair has been in a bear channel overall. So it's nice, but we're looking at this price action here. First thing I'm noticing is price is in an overall bear channel or bear trend. Price broke out above both EMAs, broke out of this pattern here, and began to show some bullish momentum. However, seeing this, that if we look back to the left, price action overall was in a bear trend. So I'm looking for more continuation shorts. So this is the first sign that the trend began to come back into it. Price could either do one of two things, either break out and continue up, or fall back down and continue on this bear trend that we were just discussing earlier into the bear channel. So I want to break it down a little bit. We have a 15-minute on the top left, the 1 hour on the top right. Bottom left, we have a 4 hour. And on the bottom right is our daily time frame. So we're going to start with this first position here. So this first position, I did not place the trade. Reason being, the daily 50 EMA was in the way, wasn't supporting my short position. I just wanted to place it. However, according to the plan, it had a bearish momentum, followed by a flat channel. I placed my entry just below the most recent touches here. To reiterate why I did not like this specific trade was because the most recent action was a bull run. So we could be entering a bull trend, and this was not showing me signs of a continued bearish momentum just yet. So even if we did get into this trade, this would have been a stop just above break even stop. More likely right here would be the stop if this trade was live without any profit taking. So we're just going to move on. I waited it out. After I saw this, I saw price continue up all through August. This is 20 August, 19 August. And so from end of July all the way through the 20th of August, it was consolidating, but it was a bullish consolidation followed by this bullish engulf. I'm just going to let price play out. I'm not going to force any short positions, even though I'm bear bias. But on 20th August, we see this beautiful, beautiful high test. So in a single day, we have in 24 hours, we have a strong bullish momentum, and it just continues on. At this point, I was thinking bulls take over. We are in a bullish market. I'm looking for bull buys, like bull positions here. I'm looking to buy this market. However, right after that breakout, it quickly fell back down into this channel, creating a double top here and a high test. So some people will call it an inverted hammer. Some people call it inverted hanging man. Some people will call it all kinds of different names. But overall, what we can see is it's a long wick and it closed back down. To me, this is just a reversal. So whether you call it, whatever you call it, it is a sign of reversal. The following day, we have price breaking below the EMAs right here, breaking below, strong bearish momentum. And remember, we're coming out of that bear channel. So we want to stay bear bias here. Strong bearish momentum with a strong bearish engulfing that engulfed the previous 19th August candle. So now, so I continue to wait on the sidelines. And here I actually enter the market because I see on the hour, if I want to get in and show you guys this hour here. So this is beautiful. Another high test on the lower time frames, rejecting the EMAs, followed by two dojis on each side. And I don't have pattern candlestick names. I'm just following the price action overall. This bearish engulfing early at 4 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time really set me off to kind of just waving their flag at me, saying, okay, enter me. I'm getting ready to shape up for a position. So I eventually got triggered in to this position, bearish engulfing here. We want to look at percentage. We want to keep that mindset in percentage because percentage is scalable in portfolios. All right, so this became a 1% loss, and it is what it is. Price was rejecting, so I'm just going to sit on the sidelines one more time. Bullish engulfing over the EMAs. I'm just going to play it cool, let it go, let the charts go. Finally, September 20th, 2 months after I initially saw this July 20th position, price began to show its way with another high test here. It's not as clear as this one, but it is a high wick. And after this quick bull run, followed by a reversal candle like this, is usually signs of the market reversing in general. So we can see that after this high test, followed by this low test or hanging man hammer, it created more bearish momentum here. And that's why this is considered a reversal. This one on 21st September 2021. So upon seeing this, I'm seeing multiple confluences here. I'm seeing a triple top. If you zoom out, this could be considered a head and shoulders. Head and shoulders aren't perfect. The market is not perfect. So if you Google head and shoulders, it's usually going to show a nice left, a nice head, and a nice right shoulder. But, you know, it's kind of like a hunchback here. It's kind of leaning, but it is considered a head and shoulders. To keep it easy, I drew in these two lines here. It is an ascending channel for myself. Multiple confluences here. And this is why I wanted to break down this trade, because it was just so beautiful. We have EMAs broken on 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and the daily. We have broken channels here. We have reversal candles. We have EMA consolidation on the daily, followed by the break of the daily with a strong bearish momentum here. We got a doji. Then we have a high test reversal that rejected the EMAs, followed by a bear candle. And so if we got in, I mean, if we break it down, I got in right here after this doji. It didn't break over the 200 EMA, and my mouse is over the 1 hour. We had a bearish engulfing below the 50 EMA. I forgot to draw this into, you know, this is an ascending nature here, just ascending channel, and low volume for the bulls. So, I mean, I'm just so stoked to share this with you guys because this is such a beautiful, beautiful trade. I don't even know. I'm like fumbling with my words because it's just so gorgeous. So anyway, this is a low test reversal. Got in on this trade, closed off with the 15-minute pullback, which is, I'll make this 15-minute a little bit nicer so you can see. Got here. So I got taken out here on the 1 hour 200 EMA. That's my trailing stop. Just let the price play out and gain just over 2%. So it did make up for this one loss. I am up 1.1%, breaking up. So could be going into a bullish momentum. What I'm looking at now, as far as dollar CAD goes, again, this was a gorgeous position. The reason why this trade looks so nice is because there's so many correlating factors with price action that gave me the edge, that gave me that sign, that flag to enter the market. And note that not all trades are this clean. But when we can identify these clean trades, it makes the overall trading experience or your trading journey a lot easier. You know, you gain 1% here, you gain 2% there. Overall, it compounds and builds that consistency of profitability. So I hope you enjoyed that trade breakdown. The reason why I loved it is because there were so many correlating factors that price action showed itself, and there's just, it was hard to not trade it. Traders, we want to look at percentages because percentage is scalable. It's easier to scale into a bigger account when we think percentage and we're not thinking of the monetary gains. So remember, if you could do this on a small account, you could do it on a $1 million account. And $1 million account, 2%, that's $20,000. It's easy to make a living that way, right? So just to know, keep that in mind. I want you guys to be, I want to help you understand that percentage is the way to go. And I hope this trade broke it down and made it obvious to how these positions, these trades happen all the time. Pound dollar will be coming up next eventually. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, if you want more in-depth videos about this, Glenn and I break down these trades more frequently throughout the week in our Mighty networks, and that is in the link below in our bio. So come on by. It's free to join. We hope to inspire and guide you guys. So with that being said, thanks for watching. Trade safe and stay blessed. Aloha.